Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account. Very easy guys, very simple. When you launch the TikTok app, you want to make sure that you go to the upper right corner and you click on the three straight lines. When you click on it, you have another menu where you're going to click on settings and privacy. When you're over here at settings and privacy guys, you want to focus on the option account. You want to click on account and then you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the last option, which is delete and deactivate. When you come over here, you will see that there is a major difference between deactivation or deletion. When you deactivate your account, no one can see your account anymore. No one will be able to find your account or your content. If you want to reactivate your account, this is very simple. All you gotta do is to come back and log in. If you want to delete your account, that's a completely different story. Your account and content will be deleted forever, and you may cancel the deletion only within 30 days after you click delete. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.